Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday the 26th of September 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the 5th week of September. And if you look at both are inversely correlated, with the spot gold breaking down and the dollar yen has tried to recover. This was mainly due to the US dollar recovery, and let's take a look at the US dollar index here on another chart. This is the daily time frame, and right from the start of the week, after finding support near this 50 the 55th retracement level of this swing move up, and it has managed to climb up to almost reach the 162.5 extension, and breaking through this swing high near the 55 EMA. So it's also just crossing over the upper channel trend line, but we'll see if there's any retracement next week, and pulling back into the channel before trying to climb up higher. We'll see if it's going to stay within the channel. We will need to come back to retest this support zone. Alright, so a lot depends on the US dollar for next week. Let's go back to the spot gold, and that was the break from the apex of the triangle that we had drawn last week, and fell straight away from the beginning of the week, and managed to find some support near the 1850 level. So perhaps let me draw an interim 1850, give some bearing to where we are. Alright. So we are at an interim level of support, and we'll see if the US dollar retraces lower, then there could be a retrace higher for the spot gold. But if the US dollar continues higher, then spot gold could dip lower towards the 78.6 fib retracement at 1817 or 1818 level, and that's where there's a previous breakout from as well, from a swing high and this consolidation area. So we'll see if the US dollar continues to try to recover back up, and if so, then there's a potential of spot gold dipping below the 1850. But for now, it needs to try to climb back up to the 1900 level or 1890. Alright, and there is news at the end of the week for the US with the non-farm payroll, and it will be the same for dollar yen as well. Both will be exposed to those news. And as the dollar yen had fallen lower earlier, last week with the dollar recovery, it managed to follow suit as well and climb back up above 105 after finding support right at the 104. Right from the start of the week. So now it's finding strong support here. There could be some consolidation, and it needs to try to recover up higher, back up to 106. That's where the 55 EMA is as well, and its previous swing low at the 100 pip. So that's the key resistance zone here. This will be a strong resistance zone. And it has climbed back up to retest the lower triangle trend line that it fell from. So it could be consolidation first, and we'll see how the US dollar recovers for next week. Alright, so meanwhile, do check out my other videos on the other major pairs, and have a safe week and a good trading week, and cheers for now.